full-size Tundra pace truck here at Langley Speedway with the wheel and emergency lights turned off. 1 to go. We are ready to rumble with the Rolling Thunder Modifieds. The front row, Joe Scarborough and Ronnie Davis. Scarborough in the white 93, Davis in the 14, Jimmy Humlett in the 11, Chris Hoylman in the 42, row 2, 5 of Mike Leach, and the 0 of Wayne Hartley, row 3. 83 of Scott Lawrence, the 8 of Mike Hanbury, row 4. The 10 of David Winslow, the 43 of Warren Lipford Jr., row 5. A.J. Winstead, Robert Connor, row 6. Marty Hanbury in the 88, Anthony Kincaid in the 1, row 7. Pace truck on pit road. Flagman keeping them under control, Green flag, here we go. Scarborough quickly down to the inside. No hesitation there. Scarborough moves into the lead with Ronnie Davis tucked in behind him. Take it around. First lap goes into the books. It's going to be Scarborough, Hoylman, and Humlett. Humlett caught on the outside, but doing a good job in the 11 car. He pulls even with Hoylman down the back straightaway. Into 3, Hoylman to the inside, Humlett to the outside. They come off of 4. Hoylman, Humlett able to get the advantage, but unable to clear. Now he does in turns 1 and 2. Jimmy Humlett with a great job running on the outside of Hoylman, able to drop it into 3rd place in the white number 11. Hoylman in the silver 42 is going to be 4th. 5th is going to belong to the white number 5 of Mike Leach. The 0 car of Wayne Hartley hanging on to the bumper of the 10 of David Winslow. Scarborough, who is leading this field right now. Mike Hanbury in the 8, moving up closer to the 0 car of Wayne Hartley. Hartley currently running in 9th, Mike Hanbury 10. Hartley gets loose down in 3 and 4. Hanbury goes underneath it. So it's going to be Hanbury into 9th. Hartley moves back to 10th. And Joe Scarborough continues to lead with the 14 of Ronnie Davis, the blue 14 behind him. Then the white number 11 of Jimmy Humlett is 3rd. 42 of Chris Hoylman is 4th, and we have a caution on the track. A spin in turn 4. And that is the 43, I believe, of Warren Lipford. So the first caution of the night for the Rolling Thunder Modifieds happens on lap 7. Flagman doesn't even have to wave the flag, just hold it out there in the wind. And now we get the 1 to go. The wheel and emergency lights are off. Joe Scarborough in charge of the restart. 7 of the Marco's Pizza 75 into the books for the Rolling Thunder Modifieds. 43 of Warren Lipford to the back of the field. '16 Rolling Thunder Modifieds on the starting grid. Joe Scarborough, the pole sitter and the leader, with Ronnie Davis right behind him. In fact, Ronnie Davis couldn't get any closer to him. Scarborough on the accelerator. Here we go. And Scarborough with a great restart and a 5-car length lead down the back straightaway over Ronnie Davis. Jimmy Humlett in the 11 car moving up onto the bumper of Davis. Ronnie Davis was hanging right onto the bumper of Scarborough, and the caution flag comes out. That is going to be the 6 of Chris Brown, I believe, over in turn 3. And we go 1 to go from the flag stand. The Wheeling emergency lights are turned off once again. Joe Scarborough, Ronnie Davis. Now the last restart. Ronnie Davis hanging right onto the bumper of Scarborough, and then Scarborough got a leap and a jump on that restart. So we'll see if Ronnie Davis is going to be able to reel him in this time, or if it was just Ronnie a little slow getting off the gun on the last one. Pace truck will head down pit road. Scarborough on the accelerator. Davis behind him, and Scarborough gets a jump again. Whatever Scarborough has done to that car for the restarts, it is a bolt of lightning as soon as he takes off. Ronnie Davis, Jimmy Humblett second and third. 8 of the caution comes out again. On the backstretch, here's a problem. Good time to head to the concession stand or down to the turn 5 bar. Maybe back to the souvenir stand. That's the 2 car, 42 car of Chris Hoylman, who was running 4th. To go, still on lap 7 of the Marco's Pizza 75 for the Rolling Thunder Modified. And we have the Wheeling emergency lights off. Pace truck heading down pit road. Once again, the Rocket, Joe Scarborough, in charge of the restart. There he goes again. Ronnie Davis tried his best to keep up with him, but Scarborough, this time Davis doing the best job he's done so far. He's only within a couple of car lanes. Scarborough, Davis, Jimmy Humblett, Michael Leach, Scott Lawrence up into the 5th spot. A.J. Winstead in the 99 drops back out of the top 5. That black 99 of Winstead. The 3 car of Scott Lawrence tried to make a move on Winstead. Winstead able to hold him off. Ronnie Davis has a comfortable pace so that he is able to hang right in there with Scarborough, and Humblett right there with him. The 11 of the Marco's Pizza 75 into the books for the Rolling Thunder Modified. That is David Winslow in the 10 car down in turn 1, looking down to the inside of Scott Lawrence. Winslow in the red 10 down the back straightaway. Winslow unable to make a move on Lawrence, but hanging out down on the bottom of the track as Lawrence slides up. There goes Winslow down in 1 and 2. Winslow to the inside. Lawrence to the outside into turn 3. Lawrence holding on, but coming off of turn 4. That's going to be the 10 of David Winslow, moving into the 6th spot behind the 99 of Winstead. Following him through is going to be the 8 of Mike Hanbury. Hanbury's going to be able to move inside of Scott Lawrence, and Hanbury is going to move into 7th, moving Scott Lawrence back to 8th. 9th is the 0 of Wayne Hartley. And 10th is going to belong to the 12 of Robert Connor. But the story is Joe Scarborough, who has led the first 16 laps for the Rolling Thunder Modified here in the Marco's Pizza 75. Jimmy Humlett taking a look down to the inside of Ronnie Davis. Davis sliding up just a little bit, but he's got it in control coming out of turn 4. Humlett giving Davis a couple of little taps down in 1 and 2. Humlett back on the bumper of Davis down in 3 and 4. Humlett looking to the inside of Davis, coming off a 4. Gets it in down in turn 1 by going way down low. Humlett to the inside, Davis to the outside, slower traffic coming up in front of Humlett. Davis is going to force him down behind that car. Humlett tries to muscle his way up. He's going to be able to do it. And Jimmy Humlett is going to move into 2nd. Ronnie Davis back to 3rd. And then Humlett goes around the 70 of Doug Hammer. Joe Scarborough, the leader. Jimmy Joe Scarborough, Jimmy Humlett, Ronnie Davis. Then it's going to be the 5 of Michael Leach, the 99 of A.J. Winstead. They are going to be the top 5. Scarborough, the leader. See if Humlett's going to be able to do a better job in getting up to Scarborough. At least on the restart, Scarborough has been the rocket here tonight at Langley Speedway. A lot of slower traffic coming up in front of our leaders as they come out of turn 4. The Rolling Thunder Modifieds at Langley Speedway. Joe Scarborough, Jimmy Humlett, Ronnie Davis, Michael Leach, and A.J. Winstead. Winstead challenging Michael Leach in 3 and 4, but the slower 6 of Chris Brown put a stop to that advance as Winstead had to back off the accelerator, now into 3 and 4. Winstead goes in high, tries to angle down low. Not close enough to the 5 car of Michael Leach to make a move. Same little maneuver down in 1 and 2 for A.J. Winstead. Gets up to the bumper of Michael Leach. Down the back straightaway, gives him a tap there. Winstead looking to pass up high on Michael Leach. The white 5 of Leach down to the inside. The black 99 of Winstead up high down the back straightaway. Leach tries to get the angle. Winstead holds on to the outside. At the stripe, Winstead with the advantage. And Winstead in the black 99 able to clear Michael Leach in the 5 car. Winstead is going to move into 4th. Leach is going to go back to 5th. Ronnie Davis way off the pace in the 14 now. And the 99 of A.J. Winstead already looks like he's making up some ground on Ronnie Davis. But it's Joe Scarborough and Jimmy Humlett 1 and 2. They get past the 1 of Anthony Kincaid. And the 88 of Marty Hanbury each go a lap down. This time by, it's going to be 30 of the 75 into the books for the Rolling Thunder Modified. The white 93 of Joe Scarborough coming off at turn 2. And the white number 11 of Jimmy Humlett running 1 and 2. Scarborough, Humlett, Ronnie Davis, and Ronnie Davis has the 99 of A.J. Winstead. He has made his way right up to the bumper of Ronnie Davis. They got a couple of slower cars in front of him. That's going to be the one of Anthony Kincaid and the 88 of Marty Hanbury. Hanbury goes up high. Winstead goes underneath Ronnie Davis. Davis was up high, slid up, and Hanbury came up in front of him. That opened the door down low for Winstead. He goes underneath Ronnie Davis, high side around Anthony Kincaid, and the 99 of A.J. Winstead is in third. Anthony Kincaid takes the one car down pit road. Joe Scarborough continues to lead. Scarborough hung up in some slower traffic. Jimmy Humlin able to get up almost to the bumper of Scarborough, and now he's going to do that in 3 and 4. Scarborough hung up behind the 42 car of Oilman. Now able to get around him, and Jimmy Humlin right on his bumper as they head off at turn 2 down the back straightaway. Getting close to halfway for the Rolling Thunder Modified. It's the 93 of Joe Scarborough with the 11 of Jimmy Humlin on his bumper down the back straightaway 1 and 2. And then we look back to the 99 of A.J. Winstead. There goes Humlin down to the inside of Scarborough. Humlin makes the move down in turn 1. Humlin muscles his way through 1 and 2. Moves into the lead down the back straightaway. Jimmy Humlin on lap 37 takes the lead away from Scarborough. Halfway for the Rolling Thunder Modifieds. Jimmy Humlin, your new leader. Joe Scarborough second. A.J. Winstead is third. About 12, make it 15 car lengths back from Winstead is the white number 5 of Michael Leach. He is in fourth. And the red number 10 of David Winslow is making up some ground on Michael Leach. The Marco's Pizza 75 for the Rolling Thunder Modifieds at Langley. And Jimmy Humlin not only takes over the lead from Scarborough, but he has already put about 6 car lengths on the 93 of Joe Scarborough. Jimmy Humlin bides his time, waits for the right opportunity, shoots into the lead coming off of turn 2, and now extends that lead dramatically here on the 41st lap of the Marco's Pizza 75. Jimmy Humlin at the stripe, 42 of the 75 into the books. And the 99 of A.J. Winstead closing in on the 93 of Scarborough. Winstead has a lap car between he and Scarborough, and that'll be Winstead moving into second if he's able to make it around. Scarborough got a little bit loose coming off of 4. Looks like the setup is going away on the 93 car. A.J. Winstead, the black 99, heading into turn 3. Goes high side on the lap car. That'll get him up there with Scarborough. And now he's right onto the bumper of Scarborough as he goes around the 43 of Lipford. Winstead looks up high, off of turn 2, down the back straightaway. A.J. Winstead going to stay up high into turn 3. Scarborough down low in the white 93. Scarborough again gets a little bit loose coming off of 4. And the 99 of A.J. Winstead able to move into the second spot in turn 1. That means Jimmy Humlin in the 11 car is your leader. Boy, Scarborough getting really loose. Now the 5 car, Michael Leach able to get around Scarborough. And the 10 of David Winslow is going to be the next one to get around. Scarborough spins. Scarborough ends up in the grass. Caution flag comes out. Could see Scarborough losing the handling on that 93 car more and more as the race went on. And now he's going to go right down pit road, no hesitation. Anthony Kincaid in the one car down pit road also. He is 6 laps behind the leader. Scarborough going to get a tire change on the right rear. Jimmy Humlett is your leader. 99 of A.J. Winstead is second. There are 2 lapped cars between Humlett in the white number 11 and Winstead in the black 99. Also on pit road, Scott Lawrence in the 83. Marco's Pizza Night at Langley Speedway. Next Saturday night, twin 75s for the Crossroads Fuel late model stock cars. Back to racing action. It is Jimmy Humlett, A.J. Winstead, Michael Leach, Mike Hanbury, and Wayne Hartley. They are on the lead lap. So the top 5 are on the lead lap. And the caution comes out again. That is the 42 of Hoylman on the back stretch with the problem. 59 of the Marco's Pizza 75. We also have a problem down in turn 4 as 2 cars get together. The 0 car of Wayne Hartley, who is in 5th. And the 83 of Scott Lawrence. And Lawrence is going to take it right down to pit road. Laps down. The 6 of Chris Brown, the 70 of Doug Hammer, the 83 of Scott Lawrence. Ronnie Davis is out. We have 9 to go for the Marco's Pizza 75. It'll be 8 to go on the restart. Wheel and emergency lights turned off on the Toyota Tundra pace truck. And Jimmy Humlett leads. We'll find out how this long intermission, this long yellow affected Jimmy Humlett. He's on the accelerator with the 99 of A.J. Winstead behind him. 43 car of Lifford drops down very nice to get out of the way of the leaders. Of the lead lap car stays out of the way. Caution out again. Out in turns 1 and 2. I believe that's Ronnie Davis in the 14. No? The 6 car. Six laps to go for the Marco's Pizza 75 for the Rolling Thunder Modifieds. It'll be 6 to go when we hit the green flag, this time by. Jimmy Humblett making a pass on Joe Scarborough after Scarborough fairly dominated the first half of the race and then lost his handling. Scarborough able to get back on the lead lap with a lucky dog. Top 6 on the lead lap. Scarborough making a move, trying to get back to the front. He's all the way back up to 4th. There goes A.J. Winstead making a high side move on Jimmy Humblett. Down into 3 and 4. Humblett to the inside. Winstead to the outside. Coming off of 4. It is going to be Winstead at the stripe taking the lead. Humblett able to battle back on the bottom side in 1 and 2. A.J. Winstead clears Jimmy Humblett down the back straightaway. But Humblett holding on to the bottom of the track, keeping Winstead up a little bit high. Humblett gets loose coming off of 4. He'll drop back into 2nd. It is A.J. Winstead, your leader. It's going to be 3 to go when they hit the stripe. Joe Scarborough making a move, trying to get back up to the front. Scarborough down to the inside. He's going to move into 3rd. Michael Leach back to 4th. 3 laps to go. Winstead, Jimmy Humblett, Joe Scarborough, the 5 of Michael Leach, and the 8 of Mike Hanberry. They are your top 5 with the 12 car of Robert Connor, the other car on the lead lap. 2 to go for A.J. Winstead. Into 3 and 4. Humblett tries to drive it in a little bit deeper to make up the ground. Winstead takes the white flag. Humblett a little bit loose coming off of 4. Winstead with a car length advantage through 1 and 2. Down the back straightaway. Humblett able to extend. Winstead extends. Humblett with a problem. Scarborough shoots in front of him. Humblett's going to be able to hold on to 3rd. It's going to be A.J. Winstead with the win. Joe Scarborough finishes 2nd. Jimmy Humblett with a problem comes away with a 3rd. 4th is going to be the 5 of Michael Leach, and 5th is going to be the 8 of Mike Hanberry. 6th is the 12 of Robert Connor, the last car on the lead lap. 7th is going to be the 42 of Hoyleman, 8th the 43 of Lipford, and 9th the 88 of Hanberry, 10th the 0 of Wayne Hartley. Those 1, 2, 3, 4 cars are 1 lap down. A.J. Winstead coming away with a tremendous victory, leading the last couple of laps, able to move ahead of Jimmy Humblett, and coming away with the win. And Joe Scarborough went a lap down, fought back, had that handling problem, changed the right rear tire. Humblett able to battle back.
Late race pass on the outside by A.J. Winstead, and he's the winner here on your Marco's Pizza Night in the RTM Rolling Thunder Modified Season Opener. Here he rolls into victory lane. I am here, folks. A.J. Winstead, your winner. Late raid pass on Jimmy Humblett on the outside. Very hard thing to do here at Langley Speedway. A.J. Winstead secures the season opening victory for the Rolling Thunder Modified Series here at Langley Speedway. Here on Marco's Pizza Night. Getting the Hans device off. Window net down. Bottom wire from A.J. Winstead, your winner, folks. Here, A.J.'s come around in front of the car. Oh, the flag for a little bit. I'm doing good, man. How you been?
Pretty good.
So, late race, 5 laps ago, you're behind Jimmy. Did you think you'd get him on the outside?
Actually, the thing was handling so good, and I really got to thank Danny Edwards and Mark Wirtz that came out with us practice and kind of gave us some stuff and really helped us out a bunch. So I can't thank those guys enough. Everybody at Stock Car Products, Neil Cully, Tony, Brownhound, all those guys, I really appreciate it.
All race long, you're passing people left and right. How was it coming back to the back of the pack?
It was fun. Like I said, those guys helped us out. They run down here all the time, Danny and those guys, and it was a dream to drive. It was fun.
You're running the RTM season full time. We're going to see you more here at Langley Speedway.
We're going to run around. We're going to do some RTM, come here some, go to Southside some, do a little bit of everything this year. Not doing any kind of points thing.
Okay, we look forward to seeing you more exciting racing right down the outside pass. And AJ Winstead, your winner, everybody. Good job, buddy.
Thanks, Mason.